Alright, welcome to the Adrian's channel. Today I will be unboxing the Ferrari 812 Competizione in Giallo Modena from BBR 164 scale models. So before we do that, I'm just gonna show what has been released in the 812 Competizione colorways before. So we've got the Blue Tour de France. Is it the Blue Tour de France? I should have checked before the video, honestly. What is it? It's the Blue Tour de France. I was right. Ay ay ay. We got the Hobby Expo China model. Both of them actually. So we got the event model limited to 1,500 pieces, and the dinner model limited to 300 pieces. Now, oh my goodness, I can't talk. The significant change with this car is that previously, as we have seen, they all featured some sort of tire with some similar to F1 colors on them from Pirelli, which is kind of like too much, a little bit very racing like. And with this one, the difference is that we don't have that. Look at that. So just a plain black tire, no tire wall. So let's get into it. All right, there you go. So normally I do like my yellow Ferraris, so let's see how it looks. Okay, I like it. I thought it would be some whiter wheels. Yeah, these are not these wheels. Look at that. That's very interesting. I thought it would have these rims, which they don't. I think they have these rims. Kinda similar. I mean, let's just take it out of the box just to examine that. Alright, so we got the first ever yellow interior. Previously they have all been red or blue. So that's interesting. It matches the the color from the what am I talking about? What am I talking about? The outdoor panels? Is that what you call it? Let's just call it the livery. The yellow color on the exterior, and on the interior you have that yellow stitching that's supposed to represent right there. So the center console is in silver, which is a nice touch. They've always been in silver, and they've done it really well here. So this is the first Ferrari to feature no stripes and no tire wall, so it actually looks pretty decent. It looks like a regular 812. So I have seen this actual car in real life, same color. So yeah, I mean, it looks really similar to the one I saw. I've seen it in yellow and in red. In red, it has really weird. It wasn't this red. It was a different red. So you get a lot of cosmetics to come with this car in real life. And honestly, BBR, they've aced it. I'm pretty sure it rolls very well, just like the blue Tour de France I have. No offset on the wheels, which is very clean. I've had a bad luck with this one. As you can see, the offset is very bad. So yeah, at least this has not repeated. So I'm glad to have this. I mean, there's not much more to say. I've opened it, I've looked at it. The badges don't move much, which is nice. Normally they do. Because they're not glued on. They're sort of like some sticky material holding them on, which is nice. Here they don't move, which is very nice. Yes, that's very nice. And the Ferrari logo is centered. I'm pretty sure in another car I got it like completely like off center, which is a shame, but I could push it back since it's kind of rubber holding it on. So yeah, first ever Ferrari without the white tire wall or yellow tire wall or red tire wall, and without the stripe. So let's see what they do next. I'm pretty sure the next 812 Competizione is either the gray one, the dark gray one with the yellow stripe, or the white one. I don't know which one is coming out first, but I know these two are coming out. And yeah, where would I rank this one out on the 4? It's the most simple one, but let me rank them. I've never actually ranked them. I think the blue Tour de France is one of the best. Like, genuinely. The blue Tour de France is like the number 1. Which it might upset some of you guys, but in my personal opinion, it's the number 1. Number 2. Oh, this is tough. Could it be this one? Could it be this one? I'm thinking. Could it be this one? I mean, it could. The thing about this one, I really don't like the black rims. I really like the yellow and black stripe. They go well, but I really don't like those black rims, especially when their offset is completely wrong. Could it be the new 812? No, I think it's gonna be like this, then this. This is my order for now. I think it is kind of absurd to put the event model last. But I just don't like those black rims. If these rims right here were on these, I think these two would swap. Like, genuinely, that's how important the rims are on these cars. Because the casting does not change a single bit. It's just the livery and the rims. And the yellow one, just by being simple, ends up being better than some of the cars that you think would be worse. So yeah, it's pretty solid, this yellow one. Get it if you want. The carbon fiber bit across is very distinguished by it being yellow. I just love yellow Ferraris. For me, the yellow Ferraris stand out, and they are very nice. And you can see the taillight accents and the headlight accents by it being yellow. It generally just shows every accent. So if the car is detailed, I always try to get yellow. And this is no exception. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. That is it. That is the 812 Competizione reviewed and unboxed for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.